So just looking at the image there that's at the top right, that's a concrete balcony, and just wanted to talk about that and how we would put a thermal break in there and just go over that again, John, because you touched on it.
Well, this is retrofit, and this again becomes to compromise. What can you or can't you do? Um, this is a concrete balcony, which actually has been brought out from the inside. Now, there won't be a break at this point here. This red line is where it actually connects to the build. That's where it's drawing this cold area here is pulling the heat out from this direction and pulling the heat out of the build. And as you see, as it comes out of the build, it dissipates and disappears. So that is basically a concrete radiator heating the street, drawing it out from outside. Now, if there is no break in the cavity of this piece of concrete, there is very little you can do to compensate for that, unless you're going to close this off at this point here and put an insulation in. It's the only way you'll retain that. Again, this comes to individual thought and design with the mechanism that you've got to work with and the compensation. Compensation compensating for that is quite a costly process, but it would be of a big gain because you can see the amount of energy that's lost.
Yeah, you can really, once you get used to seeing these, you can see the amount of energy that's
Yep.
been sucked out there.
If you get used to these images and you know what you're looking at, you'll walk into a retrofit and instantly see the cold bridge and the connection points and how they work. This is just a good indication of how that works.
Yes.